This is Nagaraju Mudri. Let me disclose you about my new YouTube channel, My Challengers. My Challenger is completely a different name that you have heard. Yes. Named My Challengers because challenge and problems are inevitable in our life. Without challenges, we may not shine. If we want to prove ourselves, we must face challenges and problems. Challenges makes us strengthen. Challenges makes us wiser. If you believe in this momentum will be very strengthened in our lives because of this corona pandemic, and we changes and we have done so many alternative things. We teachers are doing different kinds of, so that besides being a teacher, I am becoming a YouTuber and introducing myself to give students. Away from my students, so I wanted to introduce myself very new to my students as we are updating every day to day, so that I am introducing these channels to go and to meet my students very clearly and closely. And this channel is especially for the person who does have great courage of skills and doing very creatively, so that I am doing this mode for everyone to likely to be come to me and share with their feelings. So this is the momentum I am realizing that I am missing my students especially, so that I am created this channel to connect with them. One can changes their life because of these videos and because of these motivational, inspirational, ideological videos, then my life will be done. So that if I want to see my students as well, everyone, I wish, I would like to do them somewhat grow in their challenges. I want to make them grow. So that it will give me happiness. So this is the reason just why I created this channel. I have the problem is that they expect their life without problems, but can we expect that without problem? That is the biggest problem in the world nowadays is going on. So that we should not expect without problem the life, but the life must be filled with so many challenges and obstacles, so that we must overcome with our cankerness and with our courage. Expect you to come from and you can fight with that, and you can face the challenge, and you can challenge the challenge, and you can do that work, and you will win and you will success on some day. So everyone will be astonished by your success, and they will talk on about your success. So that what I'm telling you, just I'm giving a small topic to do, as it was my first YouTube post. That is exactly what you want to do within this year. Just you can challenge that. You can disclose it to 10 out of people, so that you can think out of box. At least you would do for that, and you can do that and you can achieve it. Small is a crime. Don't forget that. Think small is a crime, so that think big and you can do that big, so that whatever you take, even the great mentality or the wise mentalities or talking great words is not a matter. Just understanding the small things can movement you better. So that I am expecting everyone should take a small challenge in your life for the year 2021. So you can take up the challenge and you can face it and you will win, and you can enhance your setup level of your challenge, and you can fight with that. Intention is to bring out the talent of the students. That's what my selfless enthusiasm toward the children, and I wanted to bring out them their box. Just I want to make them think out of the box, and I wanted to give my best forever. Then this life is completely for the students, so that I felt that, and I realized that how should I give my best to the students. So this is the way I found the great way to connect with the students. Okay, all the best. My great asset is student, so that I can find him and I can go with him.
You are doing well during this pandemic. The main purpose of me coming here is to take up a challenge for this new year 2021. Everyone have different passions, and to fulfill that we need challenge in our lives. And my passion is writing. I have written various articles and various social issues and contemporary issues for various Telugu dailies and English dailies that were published. And my challenge is to, this year 2021, this year my challenge is to extend my writings to the national dailies like Hindu, the Indian Express. And I hope successfully this year I would like to write at least 1 to 5 articles for various English national dailies like Hindu, and I hope that I will take up this as my challenge to get published in the newspapers, and hopefully I will do it, and you too can take up a challenge for this year and make your passions come true. Thank you, and wishing you a happy new year 2021. May this new year brings you happy and much more joy in your life.
Hi viewers, this is Pranati. I am teacher at Progress. So this year I would like to take up the challenge to walk for 2 kilometers every day. Previously, I had tried it for many times, but because of my hectic schedule, it got failed for many times. So this year, I would like to take it for serious, and I hope definitely I do this. So I would like to take up 2 kilometers per day in the year 21 to 22. So meet you in the next year with my success. So happy new year, and hope this year brings all brightness to your lives. Thank you.
Guys, this is Kartika from 10th standard. This year 2020 pandemic year, people were suffered a lot for livelihood. In lockdown, I utilized the time by joining of shorthand typing, and for this new year, I took a challenge, that completion of longhand typing. This is my challenge. And what about you guys? Make a challenge and fulfill it. And I wish you a happy new year and safe new year. Thank you.
Myself, Mayana. In this pandemic year, many of the people were suffered a lot, but we students are utilize this for our studies and other activities. In this new year 2021, I took a challenge, that is, I will make and write a pop-up book of human body structures and their functions. Your limitation, it's only your imagination.
This is Nehastri from Progress High School. As a part of challenges, I took a challenge, that is to protect the environment. The reason why I took this challenge is environment is the most important weapon to survive in this world, and also it is a major part in everyone's life. Nowadays, most of the people are spoiling the environment for their needs. So I took this challenge. It is a big challenge for me. Now onwards, I try to protect the environment, and I try to plant at least one tree in a week. And I want to be a part of this protecting environment. And I'm wishing you a happy new year.
Hi, how are you all? So this is Nagarjun of Progress High School. So 2021 year, my challenge is actually past 3 years నుండి నేను లీజర్ టైంని ఎక్కువగా వేస్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఈ ఇయర్ ఆ లీజర్ టైంని పర్ఫెక్ట్గా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో దిస్ ఇస్ మై ఛాలెంజ్ 2021. ఓకే, another one here. 2021 ఇయర్లో ఆల్రెడీ వి నో కరోనా వల్ల చాలా నష్టం జరిగిపోయింది. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రపంచం మొత్తంలో కూడా ప్రజలందరూ అస్తవ్యస్తంగా మారిపోయే జీవితాలన్నీ కూడా. సో 2021 ఇయర్లో అందరికీ మంచి రోజులు రావాలని, వ్యాక్సిన్ అందరికీ అందుబాటులో ఉండే విధంగా రావాలని 2021 ఇయర్లో అందరికీ వ్యాక్సిన్ అందాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. సో 2021 ఇయర్లో మళ్ళీ స్కూల్స్ అనేవి రీఓపెన్ అయ్యి పిల్లలు స్కూల్కి రావడం కానీ, పిల్లలు రావడం వల్ల టీచర్స్ యొక్క ఆలోచన ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు వికసించిన పువ్వులాగా మారిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో ఎందుకంటే టీచర్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నారో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు. సో 2021 ఇయర్లో ఖచ్చితంగా స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ కావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ కరోనా వ్యాక్సిన్ రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అది అందుబాటులో ఉండాలి అందరికీ కూడా, అది తక్కువ క్యాస్ట్లో రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ మీకు మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులకి నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. అండ్ విష్ యూ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi viewers, this is Kiran Nishant of Progress High School. Well, my dear viewers, first of all I would like to thank God Almighty for His wonderful creation, especially making us being born like a human being, because we don't have the life again and again. When we just talk about life, according to me, it means it's the journey between birth and death. And in this life we came across so many kinds of obstacles and hurdles to pass by, as like good and bad, right or wrong, happiness and sadness, and so many other things. So well viewers, life is too short and we have to enjoy every moment of it. Well, the year of 2020, really it has been a year of crisis for all the people because of this COVID-19 pandemic. So let's hope this year 2021 will bring all brightness and charm on the faces of all of us. and we also pray to the God to fulfill all the desires what we have just asked for. So as usual, each and every year we take up many challenges and we face them as well, and this year also I'm going to take up a challenge to be honest, at the same time practice yoga. Why yoga? When we just think about, definitely it is going to give peace of mind, with good fresh thoughts, okay, and at the same time it keeps us remain fit and healthy. So I feel that this is the better choice which I am making for the year of 2021. Hope you to come up with a new challenge in your life. Let's kick off this year of 2020 and welcome this 2021 year with all the kind of attitudes, everything perfectly what we expect for. So my dear viewers, I wish everyone a very happy and a prosperous new year.
Hi viewers, I am Lavanya teacher in Progress High School. In 2021, I would like to take one challenge, that is, I want to continue my learning in reading books, not only in subject, also some spiritual and motivational books. So because of my hectic schedule, I don't spend the time with such a books. So this year I am taking such a challenge, and I am expecting from you all be satisfied in your life. Hope you all doing that. And finally, I wish you all a wonderful, fantastic, spectacular Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi viewers, this is Krishnavedi. I am teacher working in Progress High School. In 2021, I will put my effort in competitive exams. I hope you will get success in your life and be happy always. I wish you all Happy New Year.
Hi viewers, I Sharifa teacher working in Progress High School. In this year 2021, I'm going to challenge myself, that is definitely I'll get government job. I wish all of you lead happy, healthy, peaceful and productive lives. Wish you Happy New Year.
This is Nirmala, our Progress family. So this year, very Happy New Year in 2021. So this year resolution, first thing we need refine our good thoughts and cultivate our habits and enhance our personality and good grades, and we should construct of good manners and daily good exercise and stay fit and stay healthy and stay safe. So this year the good thoughts, positive thoughts and strategies and new attain them. So when we turn our back to see last year 2020, our heart, our mind, our soul. So, and every part of our body acknowledge the supreme power of human determination. The determination this year, the strength of human willpower and divine power, and the human beings, first of all, I have developed this year, develop the aspiration, the improve the divine happiness and perfect love and great wisdom, and we will continue with the most tools practice our daily life. So the great Russian author, the Leo Tolstoy, the greatest Russian author Leo Tolstoy had said, the true life is lived and when tiny occur. And Ernest Holmes అంటే చేంజ్ యువర్ థింకింగ్ అండ్ చేంజ్ యువర్ లైఫ్. మన ఆలోచన ఎలా ఉంటాయో మన జీవితం కూడా అలాగే ఉంటుందని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ యాటిట్యూడ్స్, యూ డెవలప్ ఇన్ ద యాటిట్యూడ్స్. దిస్ ఇయర్ I have developed the new skills and any circumstance and change our thinking and enhance the willpower.
Viewers, a grand welcome to the year of 2021. So, the new year is not only a party time, but it is the time to recall our previous experiences and previous goals. So, at the same time, it is also time to learn a new skills or new things, which will be very useful, responsible, and good and dignified. So that's why this year, in the year of 2021, I am going to learn car driving. I am taking it as a challenge. So I hope you guys will take a new challenge and will go ahead. Thank you. Have a nice year.
Hi viewers, this is Monica working in Progress High School. A grand welcome to 2021. This year I decided to take a new challenge. My challenge is to learn how to ride a bike. I am sure of to others the success in it. However, no one can go back in time to change what goes on. So, work on your present to make yourself a bright future. Happy New Year guys. We'll meet on the next year. Thank you.
This is Sweta from 10th standard. I am studying in Progress High School. So this 2020 year has got many lots of changes in all our lives. So in this 2021 year, I am going to challenge myself is that I'll wake up at 4 o'clock and I want to learn something new in this year, like writing skills, reading skills in all languages. So hope this 2021 year gives lots of happiness, and once again wishing you a happy new year. Thank you.
This is Vaishnavi from 10th standard, studying in Progress High School. Wishing you a happy new year for you and your family. So today I am here to challenge myself because I am inactive in 2020. Lack of knowledge about economics and about our nation. So I want to read newspaper. So this is a challenge I want to take in 2021. So hope we meet again in 2021 after finishing this challenge. Wishing you a happy new year. Thank you.
This is Yashka from 10th standard. I am studying in Progress High School. We have lost our academic year in 2020. Hope this 2021 should be very better. So, first of all, I am wishing you a very happy new year. This year, I am going to take a challenge to improve and to be more perfect in my communication skills like speaking and writing. First of all, I wish you and your family very happy new year. Thank you and bye-bye.
I'm Srivalli, studying 10th standard in Progress High School, Hanamkonda. So as the new year is entering, so I just want to take a challenge myself because I don't want to blame anybody, because this year has become a zero year and we didn't learn anything this year. So I just want to take a challenge myself, that is to become perfect in languages grammars, that is Telugu, Hindi and English. So all the best guys. I think you will also take a challenge yourself. We have to compare with ourselves, not with the others. When we compare with our past and present, we will know our development and we can become a successful person in our life. All the best guys. Once again, just rock this year, and once again I am challenging that I'll become a perfect in grammar, Telugu, Hindi, in English by 2022. This was, and happy new year guys.
I am studying in 10th standard in Progress High School. So all of us are staying indoors due to COVID-19. We are inactive of knowledge. So for that, I am going to make a challenge myself to make my Telugu perfect. As I am not doing well in 2020, I am going to make a challenge to myself to make it perfect. So I wish you a happy new year guys.
Vinita, I am from Progress High School, 10th standard. Today I am going to challenge myself, that is improving my reading skills as well as writing skills. I have suffered a lot in 2020. I am going to change in 2021. And wish you a happy new year.
This is Sushmita. So, as every day, I too opened my newspaper and saw an article that what has been changed. Yes, what has been changed? 2020 has changed into 2021. December has been changed into January. So what has been changed? Yes, something need to be changed. That myself, yeah. Today I am Sushmita with a normal Sushmita without any skills or something else. Yo, damn, no problem. This is the time to change. So as 2021 is going to change to 2020, 2020 is going to change to 2021. I am Sushmita need to change to another Sushmita. So today I am going to take a challenge myself that to give a spontaneous speeches whenever that time may be. So lastly, I wish you a very happy new year. Thank you.
Hi dear subscribers, this is Sudhanvi. After my 10th, I have got lots of free time. Apart from my academics, I improved in my cultural skills evenly. I decided that my talent should not be covered in me, and I decided that my talent should be known to everyone. To make a platform for myself and widen my wings by making a YouTube channel and get lots of love from many people. To inspire some girls to come out of sheets of darkness and prove their skills. My all-time challenge is to be an icon of girl empowerment. Everyone can do anything and everything in their loved profession. I hope this is my lifetime goal. But for this year, I have a challenge to prove myself in my YouTube channel and get success in it. I wish you a healthy and happy new year. I wish this year brings you lots of good vibes. In your life, challenge yourself, and every serious challenge will make you a bit high in your life. Challenges are built in you and they will build up you. Challenge yourself. Like, share and subscribe to My Challengers YouTube channel.